Hey guys, this is Matthew Mulholland with the Building Experts Institute, and listen to this bull. And I wanted to say how freaking excited I am. Things have changed for us for the Win the Storm that's coming up this Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Originally, they were going to have us on the main stage, but we were only going to get a certain amount of time. And then suddenly we had a panel of one, which would have been really interesting, me running back and forth, asking myself questions. They got rid of that. But now, best thing possible could have happened. They gave us our own stage. They purchased the whole room just for us to allow me to have 2 hours with you guys to go through technical details about hail and wind damage. I'm going to be able to bring the hail cannon onto the stage in our own stadium seating, and we're going to shoot different materials live to prove to you that the stuff that you've been taught is all bullshit. We're going to be able to show you that small hail, 3/4 inch hail, can cause functional hail damage, even to laminate shingles. We're going to show you that it can break the bottom right-hand corners of tiles. We're going to show you that spatter marks barely show up on most metal materials. We're going to show you that metal can be creased by hail, a crease. It's not necessarily mechanical damage. We're going to show you that if we shoot the same thing multiple times with the same size hail at the same speed, we're going to get different size impact marks, different size spatter, different size blemishes. None of this are things that you've been taught. We're going to show you that indentations in different metals are going to be different sizes depending on where it hits to. You haven't been taught this. You've been taught the opposite. We're going to prove it to you on stage. If you don't believe me, get your ass down there. We're going to show you live. We got 2 full hours to talk about all the ways that you can actually win claims for damages that exist and how to prove it. I'm going to show you it's real. I encourage you to record it. Thursday, Friday, Saturday is Win the Storm. But you can catch me on the Storm Damage Advanced Technical Training Room stage on Saturday from 1:30 to 3:30. I'm going to have Matt Danskin, Chad Williams up there with me. And right after that, if you're interested, you can listen to the RoofHawk AI guys talk about how you could utilize their AI to give a third-party opinion on whether or not there's hail damage. Yeah, it's AI, but it's still a third-party opinion. So between those two things in that one room, you're going to get your money's worth. How much does it cost to go to Win the Storm? I have some free tickets for you guys. First come, first serve. So reach out to me as soon as you can, but PM me for details. I'll give you guys a free ticket. It won't cost you anything. Can you afford not to go with what we're about to teach you? That's the real question.